Hey beautiful people, so in today's video I will be doing my hair. So I have decided to actually grow my hair back. I know. Right now this is just fresh wash hair, no products in it. I just did a clarifying shampoo and I conditioned it. First I'm going to go ahead and use some leave-in conditioner. I spray this in my hand just because the way it comes out, it doesn't like spritz all over evenly. So but I'm deciding to go ahead and document this journey because maybe that's a little better. Okay, I don't know. Document this journey because I get questions about how do I grow my hair back, like once it does grow out, because it does grow pretty fast. It's not always just products that you use, it's how you use the products too, and it's also genetics, and understanding your hair as well. So it's a lot of factors. So like for me, my hair is very fluffy. I really don't do a lot of like twist outs and things like that because the way the fluff is, it doesn't really hold a good curl. It holds a wave better than it holds a curl. And when I say that, I mean I can get away with a good braid out, but twist outs, I don't be. Now after rub it in back, see how it's looking a little bit, you know, it's still a little moist from the shower, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this A Curl Can Only Dream by Matrix. I love this. I actually love their shampoo and conditioner for my curls. It really hydrates them, but every time I go, I could never find it. I could order it online, but I just always end up grabbing something else just because I'm already there, you know. So A Curl Can Dream conditioner and shampoo, it's really good. Add a generous amount. I honestly did not mean to add that much. My multitasking just made me go crazy with this product, so I'm going to try my best to like work it in because I'm not using any. Look, y'all can kind of see like what my curls are intensifying right before your eyes, but not using any combs or brushes to run it through my hair, you know what I'm saying? Just using my hand, and I just like rub back because even doing that, it brings out the curls a bit. I found one more gray hair in like the middle of my head. Let's see if I can find it. It's somewhere in here. Well, really the gray hairs I've been finding are white, so I'm very hopeful that I get like the salt and pepper gray. I think that is so cute. Yes, y'all, I embrace getting older. It does not bother me, not one bit. Now, I don't want to feel like I can't move around and stuff. That's the only thing. But as far as like the way I look, if I'm getting wrinkles or anything like that, that stuff do not bother me. Bring it on, baby. You know what I'm saying? And I think I got that mentality because I was told that I look 12 for like most of my life. So like, I don't mind. I'm okay. I know people be obsessing with trying to stay looking young and stuff, but yeah. Y'all, this makes me miss like having like my longer hair because I used to just put up like buns and swoop it and stuff, but it's cool. So it looks like most of the product is worked through. For some reason this side looks a little dry, but my hair is like really soft. I don't really know how to explain it besides it's just so fluffy. Now I'm gonna take some Blue Magic to seal in all of that moisture. My hair is still a little damp, so the water is still holding on, and then adding in a leave conditioner and then the moisturizer. So now I'm going to go ahead and seal with some Blue Magic here. 2 scoops. Yeah, I really don't need to do all of this product because I don't have that much hair, but like I just love like working over everything. It just making sure everything is good. Now when I do this, I'll show y'all too how that looks in another video, because I do it all the time. But doing this lasts me for a while as far as like products. So since I have done all of this, put all this product in, remember I just did a clarifying shampoo, so my hair was stripped of all products. So now that I did some grease, put grease in my hair, next time I shampoo and condition my hair, I will use a clarifying shampoo as well. So until I actually do that, in the meantime, when I do my hair, depending on how dry it is when I wake up, I might spritz it with water, and then I do this and all this just to get the curls, you know, curling just like this, slick down my edges, and that's it. I don't even have to add any more product, and that's how my hair. So for me, I don't overload it with product, and I don't over moisturize either. Just spritzing it with water and all of that. I always call it like reactivating the product, just because it's like getting wet, and you know, so I just rub it in. So again, the grease add a little bit of shine to my hair, but it also seals in everything I just put on my hair. This is how my curls are looking now. Some people could be done with this and then just go, but for me, I have to slick down my edges because my hairline be hairlining. Now see that? Those dips and stuff, it's cool, but for the sake of what I want, I'm not doing that. So instead of using a regular edge control, because I feel like for my hair, it just be too heavy, like for no reason. And I obviously got an issue with how much I grab at once. So I do plan on trying again. I ain't gonna hold you. But for the time being, I use this. I never understood how to pronounce the name of this brand. I use the curl filler instead of using it all over my hair, because it does create a white cast, not even with other products. So I just like use a little bit, and I go ahead and go over where I know I'm going to brush down and slick and make it look like something. So I basically down these edges in threes, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then my little middle piece. I start out with a little, and I just take a little bit of these edges down here. I used to have long sideburns I used to wrap around my hair, but I don't have them anymore. And then that's why I think like my hair grow fast. I was like hairy, like a hairy child. I don't know. I was born a little bit early too, so I don't think like all that little hairs fell off or whatever. Yeah, if y'all moms, the development of the child at a certain stage, because I was born early, okay? Like your girl was tiny when I was born. Like, yes, tiny. Okay, do this. Like, I'm a Gemini, I was supposed to be a Leo. So, to kind of tell you, I be checking sometimes to see if they look even. I really don't even care. I'm not going nowhere today. I am in the house for right now. That's the plan. But I have work today, so, and I have a meeting. So I like to look presentable. And this is basically it, y'all. I don't know why my head feel big today. That's kind of messed up, but it's okay. This curl is like trying to jump shifty. This is the finished look. This is how juicy the curls look. I'll show y'all the back. Again, I will be showing y'all the journey because I get a lot of questions and I just explain, but like now it's gonna be here. it's gonna be here, because I don't think people be believing me either. Like when I'm like, oh, all I did was, like, literally, I really don't do much to my hair. I don't, this is it. I keep it nice, light, and airy. My scalp feels very, like, tingly right now, I don't know. But, again, I will be doing the refreshing this, just so you can see how I refresh with no product, not even the edges. I don't even have to put anything on my edges for it to lay. It just does what I need it to do. I don't really know how or why, but yeah, it's pretty simple. I will keep y'all up to date doing, you know, my do. Because a year from now, my hair will be able to fit into a ponytail, and then 2 years from now, my hair will be touching my back. That is just how my hair grows. So there, I'm saying it. It is what it is. It just is. So, all right, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, just keep it cute, okay? That's it. That's all I ask of you. Just keep it cute, all right? I'll see y'all later. Pieces.